In this video, I will show you how I created this character and make him to roll forward and run. So I'll be using Moho software for this tutorial. So I encourage you to watch this video to the end because I will show you how to download the Moho Pro app for free. Okay, and if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel because I upload new tutorials every week. So let's dive into the main purpose of creating this video. So first of all, we have to import our character. So this is the character. I created this character in Moho. Okay, this is the side view. Okay, so everything has been done. I've added the bone rigging to this character, so this character can do work automatically. So that is the benefit of doing boning. If you bone your character, you can achieve any animation very easily. Okay, so you see that this character have a work cycle, so we added a bone and then added a work cycle action to the bone of this character, meaning that the character can walk. You see the way the character is moving his hand. Then for that loading forward, you see how I first of all started bending the character each frame. Then to a point I have to rotate the character so that it will look like as if the character like rotate in the air was. Okay, so just bend the character, then rotate the character around and then make the character come back to normal. So that is how I was able to achieve the rolling forward animation. And then I did the work and the run cycle animation for the character to run out of the screen. Okay, so these things are very easy, and I believe that if you join my animation class, you will learn all these things, how to create this character with bone rigging so that you can animate it easily. Okay, so I recommend you join my animation class to learn how I created this character. Okay, so I have to expand the character leg. So let's see his face now. See that this is side view, everything has been done. So in the side view, we added different eye expression, eyebrow expression. So you have the eyes, you can look left, look down, blink, and do all these facial expressions. Okay, then we have different look. We have the reporter look, we have the front look, and then so all these things. So guys, this character, if you want to support this channel, I recommend you purchase this character from me. I designed this character in front view, side view, all the views, 5 views, they are all available. So just reach out to me or join my WhatsApp channel and then contact me so that you can get this character. Okay, or you can also buy it. Yes, use the link in the description of this video to purchase this character. It has all the views once, so that you can just purchase it once. You can start using it in your project, you know, your animation projects very easily. So let's just review the thing again. So you see the way the character started to bend down and then he can jump. Yes, this character can jump. You see, added a jump cycle. Then this is the loading forward. I've already explained that to you. This character can also kick. You see, so so for you not to stress yourself, just support me, purchase this character for me and use it to animate. It's a police character, so you can use it. It can also talk. So like for those that say that they don't have time for drawing, they don't have time to draw, they don't know how to draw, this is the opportunity to purchase this character from me and then use it to create your own animated videos and monetize your content. You see, so guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Okay, and if you want to learn how I created this character, you just join my animation class. Yes, once you join my animation class, I will send you the Moho software, the Moho Pro, that has been activated for free. Okay, I also teach you everything how to create cartoon video. So you can use the link in the description of this video to join my WhatsApp channel and then contact me. Okay, so that I will give you access to the animation class and the software. Okay, all right now, and if you need this character, just reach out to me. I'm willing to give this character for you at a very discounted rate, at a very cheap price. So if you are interested in buying this character, all the views are ready. Front view is available, side view is available, and they are all rigged with bone. So if you want to buy this police character, just contact me or use the link in the description All right, now I will see you on the next video.